Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by granting access and verifying hardware. Open your OS camera permissions and turn on access for Roblox. This lets the game read the device. Once done, close Roblox completely and disconnect any external cams, then relaunch. You should also test the camera in the OS camera app. If it fails there, the problem is hardware or drivers, not Roblox. This first step saves time by isolating whether the issue is app-specific or system-wide. Now you address drivers and in-app configuration. Update your camera driver and install any pending system updates. Outdated drivers often block access. Then open Roblox settings and set camera mode to classic or follow and use reset view. This forces the client to reinitialize camera capture. Run Roblox as administrator to grant broader device access and temporarily close video apps like Zoom or Teams that may hold the camera. Doing this clears software conflicts, so Roblox can claim the camera cleanly. Finish by reinstalling and isolating remaining causes. Clear Roblox temporary files or uninstall and reinstall the client to remove corrupted settings, then reboot to apply changes. If the issue persists, try another USB port or a different camera to determine if the original device is faulty. Make sure antivirus, privacy tools, or overlays aren't blocking access. Disable them briefly. If nothing works, note the exact error and contact Roblox.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.